Episode 3 of Exploring Yokai. Today we're going to be talking about the Rokuro Kubi. There's actually two versions, the Rokuro Kubi and the Nuke Kubi. The Rokuro Kubi appears to be a normal woman in the daytime, but at night their necks grow super long and they grow sharp teeth. Usually they will go around the town scaring people at night. The Nuke Kubi is basically the same, but their head's completely detached. Typically, yokais are born as monsters, but this one's a bit different. It's a curse. Usually this happens if the woman had done something awful throughout her lifetime, or she usually takes the burden of a family member that has also done awful things. What I've noticed since doing this is that there are a lot of anime ties within these yokai. For example, when I was learning about this one, I instantly thought of Orochimaru from Naruto. A lot more recent example is of course Yokai Watch. It's nice to see the tradition of folklore stories still being shared throughout modern day media. I'll be sure to look for more anime references for the next yokai.